Mazda CX-9 leak repairs. Mazda Motor Corporation is a Japanese multinational automaker based in Fuchu, Hiroshima, Japan. In 2015, Mazda produced 1.5 million vehicles for global sales, the majority of which were produced in the company's Japanese plants, with the remainder coming from a variety of other plants worldwide. If the idea of buying a crossover is an affront to your driving enthusiast sensibilities, we're happy to report that the 2021 Mazda CX-9 delivers plenty of the brand's hallmark driving verve, which earns it an Editor's Choice Award. Its handling is far sharper than any of its rivals, and it's powered by a turbocharged four-cylinder that will provide enough pep for most drivers. The Mazda's cabin earns just as much love from our editors as its driving dynamics, as it offers a near-luxury atmosphere and competitive list of standard and optional features. A host of driver assistance features are standard. 2. Rivals such as the also excellent Kia Telluride and its corporate cousin, the Hyundai Palisade, offer more passenger and cargo space. But the CX-9 remains one of our favorite SUVs to recommend to those who value athletic handling and driver engagement as much as we do. Servicing your Mazda CX-9 is essential for maintaining its performance and longevity. Here are some general guidelines for servicing your CX-9. Regular maintenance. Follow the manufacturer's recommended service schedule outlined in your Mazda CX-9 owner's manual. This schedule typically includes routine inspections, fluid changes, and component replacements at specific mileage intervals. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are crucial for the health of the engine. Use high-quality motor oil recommended for your Mazda CX-9 and adhere to the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals. Brake system. Regularly inspect and maintain the brake system. Replace brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid as needed to ensure optimal braking performance and safety. Tire maintenance. Regularly check tire pressure and ensure it is within the recommended range. Rotate and balance the tires according to the recommended schedule to ensure even wear and longevity. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off essential fluids such as coolant, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Air filters. Replace the engine air filter and cabin air filter based on your vehicle's maintenance schedule to maintain air quality and engine performance. Electrical system. Regularly inspect the battery, alternator, and other electrical components to ensure proper functioning and prevent unexpected issues. Suspension and steering. Periodically inspect and maintain the suspension and steering components to ensure a smooth and safe driving experience. Replace worn-out parts as needed. Exhaust system. Check the exhaust system for leaks and ensure it is functioning correctly to maintain emissions compliance. Professional servicing. It's recommended to have your Mazda CX-9 serviced by authorized Mazda technicians or at an authorized service center to ensure that your car receives the best care and maintenance. Adhering to these maintenance guidelines can help keep your Mazda CX-9 in top condition, ensuring reliability and optimal performance.